Hello and welcome to the StrottSHOW. My name is Michael Carroll, Vice President at Strottner Designs, your San Antonio-based boutique marketing firm for anything your little heart desires to grow your business, because our business is to grow your business. We're going to build off of last time's video. We're going to get into some more detail today about aspects of AI. And the way we're going to do that is with this exciting blog post. AI 101. What is NLP, or natural language processing? Imagine sitting down with a machine and having a full conversation where it understands every nuance, joke, and emotion behind your words. I know, if that becomes real, you don't need me. It's a chance we have to take, though. What I described is the magic of natural language processing, NLP, a rapidly advancing tech that's bringing human language to life in machines. From chatbots to voice assistants, NLP is the secret sauce behind many of the AI driven tools transforming businesses today. But how does it work? And how can businesses harness its power to optimize their websites and elevate customer experiences? In this edition of AI 101, we'll explain what NLP is, why it's important to you as part of your inbound marketing strategy. So, what is natural language processing? At its core, it's a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and human natural language. NLP enables machines to read, understand, and derive meaning from human language. Unlike traditional programming, where inputs and outputs are precisely defined, it deals with the ambiguities and complexities of language, making it an essential bridge between human communication and machine interpretation. Another Office Space meme, can't help myself. Key components: syntax, rules governing word order; semantics, the meaning of words and sentences; morphology, how words are formed and related to each other; pragmatics, the use of language in context; machine learning, models trained on large amounts of data to recognize patterns and predict language behavior. To enable machines to understand human language, NLP relies heavily on training data. These data sets help models understand linguistic patterns by exposing them to vast amounts of text from varied contexts. For example, natural language processing models learn to associate words based on their surroundings, enabling predictions of the next word in a sentence or even generating human like text from scratch. In these days in school and high school and English class, they call these context clues. How does NLP impact everyday business? It is everywhere, whether you realize it or not. It's integrated into numerous tools and services we use daily, driving smarter, more intuitive user experiences across industries. Here's how NLP makes a difference. Who are we? Chatbots. What do we do? Sorry, I don't understand what you're trying to. I can't believe I'm reading a meme to you. Chatbots, automating customer service by answering common queries in natural language. Based upon personal experience, this one needs a lot of work. Search engines. NLP helps search algorithms understand user intent beyond just matching keywords. Sentiment analysis, evaluating customer feedback to detect emotions and opinions in text. Voice assistance, personalizing voice commands by interpreting natural speech patterns. In businesses, NLP plays a significant role in streamlining operations and improving customer experiences. For example, customer service can be enhanced through chatbots that respond to inquiries 24/7. It also supports SEO strategies by optimizing content for user search intent and personalized marketing campaigns that adapt to user behavior and preferences based on language analysis. So, what makes NLP different from traditional programming? Unlike traditional programming, where precise, rule based inputs generate expected outputs, NLP deals with the complexities of human language. This includes nuance such as context. Oh, wow, I was ahead of myself. The same word can have different meanings depending on how it's used. Idioms and colloquialisms. Humans, people, often use informal language and expressions that don't translate easily into strict rules. Kick the bucket means to die, for example. Emotion and tone. Words are often charged with sentiment when machines need to interpret beyond their literal meaning. In traditional programming, these rules are explicit and deterministic. NLP, on the other hand, employs machine learning techniques where models learn from data to make probabilistic predictions. NLP models are not explicitly programmed to understand every scenario. Instead, they are trained on large data sets to infer rules and patterns from the context they encounter. For example, a rule based system might struggle to interpret sarcasm, while an NLP model trained on social media interactions could learn to identify when someone is being ironic based on context clues. Challenges and opportunities in NLP. So, while NLP has made significant strides in recent years, it's far from perfect. Machines still face significant challenges when it comes to truly understanding language like humans do. What are the challenges? Ambiguity. Words and sentences can have multiple interpretations. Even advanced NLP models can struggle to wow, disambiguate. Well, I apologize, guys. I typed a word that I can't pronounce. Disambiguate, meaning without sufficient context. Biases. Models are trained on data from the internet. As such, they often inherit biases present in that data. Now I can't pronounce anything. I love it. This can result in biased language outputs, especially in sensitive areas like hiring, healthcare, and customer. Ethical considerations. Ensuring that NLP systems remain fair and unbiased is an ongoing challenge for developers. Opportunities for growth, multilingual support. As globalization expands, businesses require solutions that can understand and generate content in multiple languages. NLP breaks the language barriers through translation and multilingual chatbots. And human like interactions. With advancements in contextual language understanding, it's pushing toward more natural and conversational AI interactions. As models become more sophisticated, we can expect more personalized and emotionally intelligent machine responses. So, how can businesses harness NLP to optimize their website? NLP offers businesses a wide range of tools to improve both their internal processes and customer facing services. Here's how it can optimize websites and online experience. Keyword analysis. NLP tools can analyze keyword trends and search intent, helping businesses create content that aligns more closely with what users are searching for. Content optimization. It helps generate high quality SEO optimized content by understanding and applying relevant keywords and context. Tools like GPT based models can assist in writing blogs, meta descriptions, and more. Voice search optimization. This one's getting big. As it grows in popularity, NLP helps optimize websites for conversational queries, ensuring that content ranks for natural spoken search terms. How about customer feedback? Using NLP, businesses can automatically analyze customer reviews, social media comments, and survey responses to uncover insights into customer sentiment. This enables companies to improve products, services, and user experience based on real time feedback. And improving user experience. Well, chatbots. NLP powered chatbots can provide personalized assistance on websites, helping users find information, solve problems, and complete transactions seamlessly. Automated translations. For businesses with global audiences, NLP models like Google's neural machine translation enable seamless translation of content into different languages, enhancing user engagement across markets. So, time for our conclusion and my announcer voice. Natural language processing is transforming the way we interact with technology and how businesses serve their customers. From SEO optimization to customer feedback analysis, NLP is empowering businesses to create more intuitive, personalized, and effective digital experiences. The future of NLP promises even more sophisticated capabilities, bringing machines ever closer to truly speaking our language. For businesses looking to stay competitive, leveraging NLP is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Are you ready to make your website smarter, more engaging, and data-driven? It's time to dive into the world of NLP. Contact us at Strottner Designs if you would like to learn more about NLP and how it's part of some of the concierge programs that we offer. Our AI results optimization strategies involve NLP are critical to the growth of our business site as SEO moves into its next phase. Run a free report using the tool found on every page of our website or email the team directly at support@strottner.com. Well, this has been fun. And if it hasn't been fun, it's been educational. And if it hasn't been educational, it has passed the time. Hope you've enjoyed it. My name is Michael Carroll, Vice President of Strottner Designs. I want to thank you for spending this 10 minutes with us today. Please leave a comment. Let us know what you think or email us. We'd love to hear from you. We will see you next video. Till then, my friends, be good. If you can't be good, be careful. Have a great day.